So guys, more I no put in that in the comment section. Watch a piece of video here, bro. I'm gonna tell me I own nothing wrong in this piece of video here. No. Watch ya. Watch ya. Cheese and peace. Oh no face around people. Cause it was a big debate with me and my brethren them and I say, yo, you know what I say? I carry man wrong though. Can I see bike man a come? And then my friend them a tell me say, no sir. I the bike man see man drive all long time, you see pray? Yeah man, so I still hold on pan and say, yo, I the car, I the Yo, wanna put no thought in the comment section, guys. Them all nothing, bro. Cause watch you know. The bike man see man a come to, you know. You can ease up cause you see man will drive out. You see me? And well as the car man can look and say bike man a come on a piece of speed and now go top same way. So, I like to know how it end up, how it ends still, you see me? You see it, I try to get some information, but it never happen to see how we get it wrong, you see me? Yeah, but as me I say, the bike man upon him right away, same way, and the car man as well drive out, you see me? Yeah, so the car man maybe would have wrong for true.
Yes, my uncle.
Of course.
Yes, gone uncle.
Of course.
So guys, more no help me with this, bro. Cause yo, I say, you look at the brother, everybody just happy for him, man. I don't know, look like him just buy the machine, you see it? And I tell you, say when him see crowd, him put on a piece of speed and know so him can't drive. And end up in the wall, lick down the wall. I say, yo, them are people are not easy. Yo, guys, put your thoughts in the comment section, you see me?
In regards to baby Wilbert, and in regards to Father Wilbert, you
Man, talk, oh, you run yourself,
Police don't want you, honey. Police don't want you, honey. Me shame my honey. Police don't want you, you're a big woman, you're a picnic, so take example. You don't look.
So hey guys, welcome back to my next YouTube video. Pick up on yourself. Remember to like, share and subscribe and watch the ads. Well, me I tell you, say one girl come on Annie live and this up Annie wicked as not hear the first piece of clip the people. May I say the little girl put Annie in her place and may I say Annie have to cut her off. May I tell you say yo, you can't tell. So I make on listen right now guys. So put your thought in the comment section, you see me? Up.
Man, talk, oh, you run yourself. Police don't want you, honey. Police don't want you, honey. Me shame my honey. Police don't want you, you're a big woman, you're a picnic, so take example. You don't look good. You don't look good. Oh, you run so. You don't look good. Man, your life has salvation. Go buy do of your house. Go buy do and fix up your house. Okay. You don't look good, honey. You don't look good. You don't look good. What else do not look good? Why you scrape off your yellow sun them off your teeth? You don't look good, honey. You don't look good. You don't look good. You look them black. You don't look good, honey. Why you don't call the suck off my lip? But I like if you suck off the teeth of the things them off. You don't look good. What else? Do not look good. Because you preach one by your door. And because you tell your young one by your door. Fucking account. You fucking by your door and stop running behind man.
You're fucking drunk, bro. You're a little drunk, bro, and you're deep on a big woman page like mine. That's why I'm telling you, no for uno now go get a request from me. Because if I want to run back a blood clot young boy and a fool no business. Look when you come up here so coming like a race blood clot track. Your account look loose just like you. And you can talk to me as a big blood clot woman where they up here. So I'm free to do anything I want. Just like your big stinking blood clot mama. Loose blood clot girl. You find me enough where you can come for my page say him no want me. No problem, he no want me, but he want you. Okay. Think no blood clot. None of you now come up here so unless at the request. And baby girl, me and you depend the same plan what we depend. We not come and fight. Cause we not back down from things.
They come out. When you see my face, I didn't pour them a blood. But I'm not care who want come mash me or bash me. I say nothing now who I watch my video and I say could I do it together. But me come for honor and blood. Red hands. Through the party youth honor yours. Y'all go treat the blood man no paddy. In red hands. You I should have blood. A girl like me, you're there with pussy. Me say I should have blood like me when I have no sense and up your son screw you're there with. Me can promise your blood. Your mother would have a ball for your back dance. But you fear do that to the clot, baby, little back. Eh? So the baby not reach all drunk, all jogless, back dance. Eh? I don't is thinking Anna. Good Anna man no blood auntie and dance the big clot all where you have. Come on to come to your so big. One man can look up in your little stinking vagina. You make the man have you to deal with him. So Anna missionary blood clot baby. The baby should have said cousin vein or aunt vein. And you hear about it, Anna. How that Anna more than kick and box till tomorrow and the next and the year you come in Anna more than still a kick. Your mother not a sense, Anna. Married Annie, you know. Married Annie don't rank Annie is adjusted. But I see you stinking bro. Anna, your mother for all and kick in and a big hole there. Your mother for all and box you up. Your mother for all and choke on life in you because you don't deserve to come here, girl. You should have pin up that sense. Agree in the class self. No sense. You know, no self esteem. Anna, that boy can't ramp with him, Anna. Me have two more, Anna. No boy can't ramp with them, Anna. You mad? Anna, me sell out my body. My nose hole, my ears hole, Anna. To my blood, them. Anna, me living on like a piece of blood. Those, Anna, half black and half blood, Anna. With my youth, them, Anna, because I used to go through clad shits, Anna, run out all of them. They tell a boy to ramp with me now. Hey, this hurt me, you know. The way all this hurt me right now, girl, me should have they're the closest. Hey, anyone me see you, girl, anyone me see me, I like your blood clot for me. And you make people get so upset. See, they can't contact. Pick the day for you. No, what the development agency them there. One of them. Me no business if you know why you me cause of people but don't know me upset. Cause here one little drunk I deal with. So hey, me feel hurt and I'm my youth. You don't believe me? Me say the way how me feel hurt. If me they just ever close to that blood girl, you know that hear about it because me is a girl me love baby. Yeah, me love baby, me not tell no lie. Family hurt me to see how Anna Red Dance deal with a clot couple days old baby there. Oh no, so cruel. The baby never reached 6 months yet, 7 months yet. Oh no, give baby some time to grow. No, grow the baby in anxiety and stress. So no, the baby give the baby to child development agency. You know, go to the CD, they have an office all over the globe. They have an office, and they have an office at Bacon and they close to be. Anna. Look into yourself now, girl. But me I tell you, me should have blood close. I read and see you damn feely. When I get man bust up your body over you. Or that make some breed that's in the arm to your mouth. My blood is red dancer. Anyway, you see me, I can't run up in me. I can't go up on profile. Drunk from come from flat barely. Yeah. And anytime you see me, you can't run up in me. It's a you know you're close to your body. Body. I should make a boy ramp with my youth. And I too big and outless. Boy, big and outless, dirty girl. I you all done out of your blood, baby. I deal with him so nasty old girl, Anna.